Supercharge your automations by connecting the power of Telegram to your N8n workflows. Let's walk through setting up a Telegram bot and integrating it directly into your N8n instance. First, in Telegram, search for BotFather. This is Telegram's official bot creation tool. Start a chat with BotFather and type new bot to create a new bot. BotFather will ask you for a name for your bot. This is the display name users will see. Then, choose a unique username for your bot, which must end in bot. After that, BotFather will provide you with an API token. Copy this token. It's essential for connecting to N8n. Now, head over to your N8n instance and create a new workflow. Add a Telegram trigger node to your canvas. In the Telegram trigger node settings, you'll need to create a new credential. Click the plus icon next to the credential field and choose Telegram Bot API. In the credential settings, paste the API token you copied from BotFather into the token field, then save the credential. Back in the Telegram trigger node, select the credential you just created. Now, you can configure the trigger to respond to specific commands or listen for any new messages. To send a message back to Telegram, add a Telegram node. After the trigger, connect the trigger node to the Telegram node. And in the Telegram node settings, use the send message operation. Enter the chat ID. You can get this from the trigger node's output when it receives a message and the text you want to send. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Telegram to N8n, and now you can build all sorts of amazing automations, like creating engaging chatbots or automating communication tasks directly within your workflows. Be sure to subscribe for more N8n tutorials and unlock the full potential of workflow automation.